Abhijit, Secretary, Waqf and Minority Affairs, Government of Pondicherry. As all of you know, lockdown is in force to contain spread of COVID-19. All religious places were kept closed to contain the spread. Now, Ministry of Home Affairs and Department of Disaster Management, Government of Puducherry have decided to allow opening of religious places, including mosques, churches, temples. But as there is chance of spreading of COVID-19 while people will gather to these religious places, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has issued some precautionary measures. They have issued standard operating procedures while attending mosques, churches, temples and other religious places. I would like to bring these guidelines to your notice for strict compliance. Religious places and worship places in containment zones will remain closed. Only the religious places which are outside containment zones will be open. It is advised that persons above 65 years of age, persons having comorbidities, pregnant women, children below 10 years should stay at home. Apart from that, general instructions are there, such as individuals must maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet in public places. Please cover face by mask. It is mandatory. Frequent hand washing with soap and water has to be done. Respiratory etiquettes like using handkerchief, tissue, flex elbow while coughing, sneezing is also mandatory. Spitting is strictly prohibited. Installation and use of Arogya Setu is advised. So all of you should install the Arogya Setu app. When you visit religious places, religious institutions like mosques, churches, there should be a mandatory hand hygiene provisions and thermal screening provision is mandatory. Only asymptomatic persons should be allowed in the premises. All persons to be allowed should use face cover or face mask. Posters and standees on preventive measures about COVID-19 should be displayed at prominent places in the religious places. Staggering of visitors should be done. Footwears should be preferably in the vehicle, should be removed in the vehicle to avoid any contact. Crowd management is essential. Shops, stalls nearby the religious places should strictly follow the social distancing norms. Preferably there should be a separate entry and exit. While queuing in the line for entering into the mosque, churches and other religious places, there should be a strict maintenance of physical distancing. Hands should be washed with water and soap before entering the premises. Touching to the idols, statue, holy books should be avoided. It is not allowed to touch the holy books to contain the spread. Large gatherings and congregations must be prohibited. To contain the spread of infection, as far as possible, recorded devotional music songs may be played. Their physical contact while greeting each other must be avoided. Common prayer mat should not be used. Everybody should bring their own prayer mat for prayer. For community kitchens, langars, at the religious places, physical distancing norms must be followed. Sanitation of the premises should be done properly. Specifically, lavatories, hand and foot washing stations, areas may be concentrated. Disposal of the mask, gloves and face cover to be done properly, and it should not be thrown anywhere. It should be thrown in the dustbin, and proper disposal should be done for it. If we found any person is having symptoms, then he or she should be isolated from others provision of he should be provided mask and face cover. Immediately nearest medical facility to be informed about this, and after that disinfection of premises to be taken up in the person if he found positive. Finally, I urge all of you to follow these guidelines strictly. Thank you.